Hi, Communication Arts students, and welcome to OneSearch. This is the college's library homepage, and we're going to be using a tool here called OneSearch. Even if you have had library instruction for English 101, say, or some other course, please stick with this because I hope it shows you how to narrow your scope for the purposes of the informative presentation. I've already gone ahead and typed in Malala Yousafzai's name into the search bar. You'll find that right here. And down here I want to show you two buttons, full text and print and scholarly peer reviewed. I'm going to click off scholarly and peer reviewed for right now, just so you can see how the library presents information to you and how you might find information that is meaningful to your presentation. Remember, you're always trying to determine, does this information help me define and illustrate my great communicator in some way, using concepts from the text and sort of merging them with information you find in a good research process. The good research process includes who, what, where, when, why, and how. Now, I took off scholarly and academic literally so that I could get you to the Salem Press Biographical Encyclopedia. I think for this assignment that this is a great place to start. So, the only thing about this is that you don't want just the abstract. I see students making this mistake often. Like, big deal, this is broad overview material. You need to be more specific than that. And what you want is the HTML full text for the Salem biography. So this is the point at which you have to put in your student ID number, which I already have done. So this is a good academic encyclopedia at the college level, and you can see that she's an activist. There is a word that helps you determine what kind of communicator she is. So if you have Malala, I'm doing just a little bit of work for you, but I hope that I mix it up enough and that this is relevant to absolutely everybody. All right, so I would read this whole article, and you will find, her life's work, gives you background information. It's short, easy to find. Most importantly, you do not want to lose track of any information that you gathered from this site. So I'm going to put my little picture bar over here to show you that you can cite this source simply by clicking on Cite. And then you want to make sure you select MLA style. So there's a little scroll bar right here, and I'm going to scroll down and show you MLA style. It's down here. So you can click on it. It will give you some information, but mostly what you want is this particular source. So you can email it to yourself and keep track of it that way. Nice little toolbar over here, see, email. And you can simply save it, which is a feature that I highly recommend. Okay, so you can email it. This is what it will ask you for, and I want you to know about this feature so that you can use it effectively. The biggest problem some students have is keeping track of where they got certain information from. Okay, so in this particular recording, I have shown you how to use OneSearch, typing in simply the communicator's name, making sure that you have access to full text, and that you see that there are citation tools for you to use. Please use them. Now, you have to have more information than just an encyclopedic overview, but this should help get you started in determining why the person you have is known as a great communicator. So we know that Malala Yousafzai Yousafzai is a great communicator, and she is an activist. So we got that just from the abstract, but there's more to know about her. Okay, time to move on.